So let me just show the box, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's very cute, actually, isn't it?
It is.
No way. How do we sound? Oh my god, it's small.
Oh, it's tiny.
It's so ridiculously small. This thing's gonna sound wank.
Hopefully not. That'd be kind of embarrassing for them.
Yeah, but I don't think it's not meant to be a top range thing. Is it?
Yeah.
It's got a little thing in there.
Mm-hmm. It looks cute.
It does. Feels very plasticky.
Yeah. It was on the cheaper end, isn't it?
Yeah. And then charger flew out. So we got a very nice little USB-C charger. Is that all it needs? My god. Anything else in the box? Interesting. Right then. Does it turn on?
That's kind of cute.
It's quite cute. Right, you can stop the video now.